From scoring 49% in my 10th midterm examinations to score 9.7 GPA in the last sem of my engineering, I have made the greatest academic comeback in my life. For those who don't know, I'm Diwakar, a recent graduate from BMSIT, and today in this video, I'll be sharing tips on how you can make the greatest academic comeback in your life. So it all starts with dream, passion, willingness in which field you are really interested in, and clear vision and roadmap to pursue that career path is important. Don't take up the career path simply because the parents have suggested it or the more cash flow in that particular field. Figure out what you are really good at and interested at. In Japanese, there is a concept called ikigai which helps people to choose their career path. So it is a sweet intersection of what you love doing, what you are good at, what the world needs, and most importantly, what you are paid for. You may say, oh wait Diwakar, you said you'll tell about the academic comeback. And what is this? You're talking about the career path? So let me tell you, choosing the career path plays an important role as this is what keeps you motivated towards your goal. As it's easy to top in exams as you have advantage over others in scoring. As you understand things well, you are good at those subjects. Your starting point is ahead compared to others who just took up the career path just because their parents told them to do so. Even though their 11th and 12th marks are very good, still they are behind you as this is the fresh race. So let me give you my example. I was interested in tech since my childhood. So I decided to become a computer science engineer in my 7th grade. I had a good knowledge on computers in the initial days of my engineering as I have acquired the knowledge from 7th to 12th grade, and this has helped me in engineering. I didn't have to put much efforts compared to others. See, if you keep a competition between a fish and a bird in flying, a fish can never win. So choose the career path properly. After scoring very less marks in my 10th standard, to get the admission in the top engineering college, I had to crack their entrance exam, and for that I need to put in extra efforts. And here comes the role of hard work and dedication. You need to put in extra efforts where you are lacking. Try to complete any topic like you have to master it. Anyone in the college, if they have doubts related to this topic, they should approach you. You should have a mindset like that. You should be so much dedicated that you should not easily get distracted from scoring reels, hanging out with friends, going for movies. See, I'm not telling you should not be hanging out with friends, going for movies and enjoy a little bit time. But what I wanted to tell is you should not waste your time. You should prioritize your time and you should try to avoid all these when you are really trying to make a comeback. And this brings us to the third point, time management. You should start considering time as money. You should not spend on useless things. You should try to utilize your time carefully. Create a proper study plan or create a schedule where you will be studying, upskilling, relaxing and enjoying. Follow the time management matrix. Don't do any work which is not important and not urgent. Avoid procrastinating and just sit and simply start it. Use 3 seconds rule. 3, 2, 1 and start doing it. Just force yourselves to do that work for 10 minutes, and if you still feel not doing it, just leave it. In most cases, initial friction stops you starting the work. In this way, you can avoid procrastination. The next point is surrounding. Have a good environment around you which supports your vision. It is said that you are the average of 5 people around you. So make sure you have the like-minded people around you and whose goals align with your goals. This will boost your learning. People don't simply tell you to study in tier 1 colleges like IIT, NIT. It's not for the quality of education that they provide. It's for the environment which tier 1 colleges provide you. So it's really important with whom you are spending your most of your time. Try to disconnect with the people who don't support your vision and connect with those who support it. Coming to the last part, motivation, which keeps you grinding for months. Often people fail to give comeback just because they are out of motivation. So always try to admire your role model, follow him, imagine yourself being the person you wanted to be, being rich, fame, getting respect in the society. This would act as a motivator as it's impossible to gain motivation every time from the motivational videos. In my case, it's Virat Kohli. The struggle to score a century and the hard work and efforts he had put in giving a comeback has motivated me a lot. Think of parents who pay lakhs of rupees to college just to see us successful, and they still love us even if we fail in this process. For them, can't we give our best instead of wasting time in late teens and early 20s? Can't we help them in retiring early? So if you're watching till here, this means definitely I have added some kind of value in your life from this video. So don't forget to drop a like, share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel if you are pursuing engineering.